Hello everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Tom from 6foot Networks. And this Tech Minute is going to be all about using your mobile devices securely. So you have to consider that almost everybody has some kind of a smart device either on them or available to them pretty much consistently. As such, those devices are susceptible to theft, loss, or even breaches. So here are some tips that you can implement to kind of keep yourself safe and keep your device, secure. First of all, use a PIN or a password to lock your device and never leave your phone or tablet or whatever out in public for somebody else to take. Use trusted installers or download apps from trusted sources like the Apple AppStore or Google Play if you're on Android. Always keep your operating system of your phone or device current. Don't click on links or attachments. This one is kind of funny because, some people think, and I've heard, I can't tell you how many people have said this. I've heard people say that, oh, my devices are immune to, malware and ransomware. No, they're not. They're computers just like a laptop or a desktop is. So just be careful. Avoid transmitting or storing personal information on the device. This goes for anything such as credit card numbers, social security numbers, pretty much anything that can be intercepted and used against you. Most devices are capable of encrypting data. So see if your device is one of those devices. You can look it through the documentation, or you can reach out to the manufacturer and find out available options. And then finally, as kind of a, theft management tool, use Apple's Find My Phone or Android Device Manager to kind of prevent theft or loss of device. And this one's kind of a no-brainer. These are services that are usually provided for free, so why not? All right, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for watching.